and we are here to present before you a campaign pitch for Moko Bara, where Moko means identity and Bara means to carry, which is from a Swedish. It was taken from a Swedish language. Before that, I have a question for you. The question is, what do you think this person is carrying today?
Himself.
Bag. Some of you said bag, some of you said himself. Let's find out if this question, the answer is right or wrong through a video.
On the left, we have our founders, Sangeet Agrawal and Naveen Parwal, who have built our strong design-led brand, scaling it to rupees 230 crore in financial year 25-26 with 4x growth in 2 years. Now, what defines Mokobara? It's a design-first travel brand built on movement, expression, self-expression, and the joy of travel. The philosophy is inspired by the Lagon, meaning the perfect balance. In one line, we balance beauty and function, not too much, not too less. Now, next, our brief. The goal is to position Mokobara not just as a travel brand, but as a leader in modern culture. Now, by taking a bold stand on how people live, move, and express themselves, there are three key pillars guiding this: relevance, stay sharp, point of view, take bold stand, and presence, create our lasting memory. Now, the Mokobara has put competitive analysis. Out of the 80 luggage category brand, what we analyzed was actually that there is a luxury segment where it is dominated by Rimowa and Chewy, functional segment which is Samsonite, American Tourister, D2C disruptor which is the competitor of Mokobara, Samsonite, Assembly, National Miles, these are considered as the competitors of Mokobara. Moving further, what the traveler insights that we got were from 100 plus responses that we had from different cities from Hyderabad, metro cities, Delhi, Bangalore. And what we found out that 80% of people actually think that travel is identity led, and 68% thinks that memories and experiences matter more. If you talk about consumer insights, 80% think that travel is actually a life maker, a choice. 72% think that luggage is a status. Now, another insight we got was that Mokobara has a tagline of going places. So the going places tagline was not fitting well. It needs a extendability where we are telling the consumer or customer that go places but do something. That do something was actually missing. Moving on to further, the research, the insight that we got was actually we have to make this brand more emotional led or brand led rather than product focused. In other words, Mokobara should be a memory rather than a journey that we have. The tagline going places is aspiration, but we need more depth, more extendability, and more scalability to that. Target audience we have is from 21 to 45, mostly from metropolitan cities, who are travelers, young professionals, entrepreneurs, and their values are actually freedom, status, ambition, and sustainability. Meet our Ayush Singh, a persona who is senior data analyst in BCG Consulting. He earns around 15.5 KP. For him, actually, the book
Capture your life and really know what you want to do to explore new passion, food, new places. I carry curiosity. Even carrying my heart when I travel. Try to carry my open mind.
So this was the research that we did. We especially asked the foreigners or people who visit India. We asked them, when you came to India, what is the thing that you carried with yourself? And many of the responses that came was actually that I carry my dreams, I carry my heart, that is in my soul. So when I carried that thing, it was this was very personal. This was very personal to me. It was self-expression to me. So that's why we also experimented this idea. Also, we talked to a lot of people. These were the people we talked to, and we got a sense of that. Okay, we are going in a right direction. If we are moving in this.
Hello everyone. Before we talk about the creative,
What if your luggage wasn't just something you carry, but something that carries your story? We didn't just design creatives, we designed aspiration, identity, and movements of movement. So now, if we take a look at our social media posts, the posts are aesthetically same as Mokobara posts on its Instagram. You can see from carry your style, G like Mokobara, carry your zit, carry pride, carry your ambition, carry your culture. These are some say anything about you, why carry it? Carry your light, carry yourself, carry your remote bar, carry yourself. Lost bag notice that Rahul Verma's bag is lost, so the details are here. These are eye-catching. These are some other billboards, meeting over Mukobara bags out, carry your vibe, carry yourself.
I said,
Now we'll head on to our first digital video commercial.
I said I want to go for my race, my dream. They said, but I still can't. Every time pushed me hard, every no made me faster. I didn't wait for permission. I chose myself because the hardest fight is against the voice that says stop. So when they say don't, I go. I carry my strength, I carry myself, and I go places.
Now on to the second issue. I think the stereotype of LGBTQ.
मैंने कभी उन्हें शादी करते हुए नहीं देखा. It's just a Western influence और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.
People invite them to bless newborns and weddings and उनकी blessings अच्छी मानी जाती है.
मैंने उन्हें हमेशा अलग कपड़ों के साथ देखा है जो बाकियों से अलग होते हैं और उनको मेकअप के साथ भी देखा है. मैंने मेकअप करते हैं वो लोग.
क्या LGBTQ वो क्या हुआ?
उनको बस अटेंशन चाहिए होता है और ये सब मेट्रो सिटीज में ही होता है.
ये जो भी है इनका असर बड़ा खराब पड़ रहा है समाज में. ये मेंटल डिसऑर्डर है और इसमें ठीक करने की जरूरत है.
I, Dr. Menika Guruswamy, having been elected a member of the Council of States, I think I was wrong.
ऐसे तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. अरे यार ये सब ये रिजेक्ट हो गया.
Carry your pride, carry yourself.
Now the third one. Now the third one, aspirational DVC of a girl aspiring to become a filmmaker.
हाँ पापा. हाँ एल्पाइन प्रोडक्शन की स्टेट में जाना है. एक हफ्ते का शूट है बस स्विट्जरलैंड के लिए. हाँ अकेले जाना है लेकिन जा सकते हैं. आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो कि अकेले नहीं जा सकते? अब अपॉर्चुनिटी खुद ही तो आई है. आप खुद कैसे मना कर सकते हो? आप ही ने बोला था कि कर सकते हैं. फिर ये क्या है? आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. बिल्कुल नहीं.
Now a corporate guy stepping onto his another personality by traveling.
अकेले जा रही हो? अकेले?
Now this is girl breaking the barriers of society and carrying her choices and her freedom.
अकेले जा रही हो सेफ होगा लेकिन क्यों जाना है अकेले
आप गलत नहीं हो, दुनिया वैसी ही है जैसा आप कहती हो। पर मैं भी गलत नहीं हूँ, मैं बस जीना चाहती हूँ, डर के साथ नहीं, खुद पे भरोसा करके। अकेले जा रही हूँ, पर अकेली नहीं।
With the help of our friends, we also made a song on Mokobara for our nomad travelers.
Carry your love, carry your voice, let it rise, it's always a choice. Carry your light, the truest self, hold your power, nothing else. No labels, no permission, I am more than what I'm told. Carry your dreams, carry yourself, carry your world, nothing else. Carry your love, your future self, carry your life, carry yourself.
Now these are some of our ads in an in-flight magazine. This is not a luggage ad. Looks like luggage, carries a life. Before you land, ask yourself.
From solo trip to घर से भागकर गोवा जाने का plan, every journey has its story. So here, instead of celebrities, we can collab with real life storytellers like Saket, like Jemima, like Anushka, or the Wonder Lives. So this type of collaboration help us to really connect the audience with the emotional kind of storytelling and how they can become or they can carry their self in a better way.
Yes, I'm the same Jemima you see playing in the stadium. The world knew my smile. I knew the silence. Dimnished but driven. I kept going. I had to carry my own worth when the light dimmed. My legacy isn't the contract. It's the character in the dark. Victory is a question.
I started my career as a corporate professional. Then I chose uncertainty over comfort. I quit, chased stories across borders, sleepless nights, and 40 plus countries. I didn't just travel, I reinvented. This is not travel, this is founding myself. This is my identity, and I carry it in every frame.
Hey guys, you know me as Ankush. On Instagram, you know me as Bringing with Ankush. Today, it's not about makeup, but a different story. My story. I faced a lot of judgment and beauty as a male leader, but I chose self-expression anyway. I carry identity, individuality, and confidence. Because real luxury is how you carry yourself.
Hello people, this is Saket, your gym bro. I am here to tell my story. I started as a skinny kid, uncertain, underconfident, unsure of my path. But with discipline, consistency and patience, I changed everything. Today, millions of people follow my journey. But more than that, I carry resilience, growth and mindset to push forward, no matter what.
Hello everyone. So now we will talk about Mokoverse, the same cinematic universe like Avengers, but it is not. It is a community-led storytellers group. So the narrative which we will sell here is Mukobara doesn't just carry luggage. It carries stories, your day-to-day stories, your success stories, your ambitions. And here is short-term PR strategy. Number one bag challenge. For example, is one bag enough for everything you carry? Number seven, carry your confessions, which you will collab with Mokobara and Radio Meiji. For example, I carried the weight of my last relationship. And number third, what are you carrying yourself? What are you carrying?
Asked us for was that they don't want sales, they don't want offers, or they didn't also want the launches. Also, in that it was they don't want product first narrative. What they wanted was think of brand presence and not advertising output. So, coming to the budget and the media plan. So here is a 3-month strategy that we got for Mokobara. So for the first one, the total budget that would be costing is of 73 lakhs. The second month would be of 84 lakhs, and the third month would be of 93 lakhs. So in total, the budget would be of 2.5 crore rupees. In the first one, the most of our money would be burning for the OOH and for the creators that we used. The second month would be having OOH but slightly less, and more focus on PR and events would be given. The same way, in the third month, more focus on PR and events would be given, and in addition to that, we would be giving money on Netflix, and also here is a detailed digital media plan that we got for Mokobara. So it is divided into 2 sections. The first is the Google search and display ads, and the second is the.
Thank you so much. This was our presentation. Thank you.
Just 2 small questions to you. You compare in one of the slides said your segment is mass premium. Mass premium क्या होता है?
So it is affordable. It is a premium, but it is affordable. For example, we talk about. But then we talk about, let's say, Mokobara, or let's say, there's another luggage brand internationally which is known as Tumi, which is also come under the mass premium brand. Awake is there, which is globally recognized luggage brand, which also considers those are affordable. Because the idea here is with a brands like Sabyasachi, these are not available to masses. They're very premium category. They're very few people will have those. But if we talk about Adidas or Nike, or if we let's say talk about the Awake, the category that we have, the luggage category, which is Awake, they're available to a lot of people. So just consider the design is premium, everything is premium, the look is premium, the feel it gives to the customers is premium, and it is available to a lot of people. That's all.
Because I find it, I hear it a lot also, affordable luxury and mass premium, but बड़ा contradictory है.
Yes.
ये इंडिया की फिर मास की ना समझ आए आपको ना प्रीमियम की समझ आए. प्रीमियम फॉरेनर्स दिखा.
Those are not influencers. Brands specifically mentioned that influencers don't have a real story. That doesn't build the brand. You have to specifically
But
mention
it still would cost you 1 crore that will you take it.
It's still better than taking a lot of influencers. Because with influencers, a lot of the people don't connect with the real life.
So you could have found more people who would have probably been more affordable also had real stories.
It was also about the reach. It was also about the reach. These people, they have a lot of consumer
You're a
engagement.
niche brand. I was talking about reach. 2.5 करोड़ तो 3 शहर में मुझे OS दिखा रहे थे. 3 शहर में 6 करोड़ का रीच. 3 शहरों की पॉपुलेशन नहीं है 6 करोड़ वहाँ पे. पूरा शहर दिखा रहे थे. That through OH you will reach the entire all. You talk about only 3 cities.
No, sir. 4 cities.
4 cities.
And on
4 cities का population कितना है total? 4 cities.
Sir, इसमें
8 करोड़ 6 करोड़ है शायद दुश्मन से 6 करोड़.
That was for the 3 months.
ये कौन तुमको दे रहा है कि पूरे OH प्लान में इतने से पैसे में तुमको पूरी सिटी का रीच दे देता है. OH का मतलब मालूम है? कहाँ होता है OH? 80% घरों तक तो OH पहुंचता ही नहीं है, because it can only be at certain places, in certain clusters, and therefore it would only cover about 10, 15, 20% of the population. So if you would have given me a number of, let's say, 50 lakhs, 1 crore,
6 crore was for the 3 months.
रीच तो यूनिक होगी ना यार. रीच हर बार काउंट करना थोड़ा ना कर दोगे कि मैं तुम्हारे पास 10 बार पहुंचा तो 10 रीच हो गई. We counted only once ना.
सर जो हम ओएस प्लेस कर रहे हैं वो हम एयरपोर्ट से बाहर कर रहे हैं और कॉर्पोरेट एरियाज में मेनली वहीं करेंगे. हमारी जो पीजी है वो मेनली वहीं अवेलेबल है और जो फुटफॉल होता है एयरपोर्ट पे वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. ये जो कंजप्शन और आता है वो ज़्यादा है.
That's why the ROS is higher because उस conversion के हिसाब से because audience in the airport specifically target key where we have this teaching will buy this back. इसीलिए the ROS is higher.
कैलकुलेट करके देखना कि कोई भी सिटी में 3 महीने का भी ले लेना, रोज की फ्लाइट्स ले लेना, नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु ट्रैवल एंड सी इट कम डाउन क्रॉस चेक.
Sir, I have a question to jury members. Like, we have got the same creative brief. Sir, I think the brief is not very much aligned to our idea and to their idea. मतलब हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये दो distinct, या तो हमें दो brief ही अलग मिले या this is completely.
I think it is your interpretation of the brief. जो इसने मीडिया के पहले जो तुमने brief की स्लाइड डाली है उसको निकालो.
स्लाइड डाला था ना.
It gives you great clarity in terms of what they wanted, being brand presence, not advertising output. You interpreted कि brand presence concept में product की जरूरत ही नहीं है. They interpreted कि brand पे focus रखना है पर product support में होना चाहिए या at least होना चाहिए. So there is not a problem in what they said. It is how you interpret it.
Understood.
Because sir, ultimately हमें brand बेचना ही है.
Understood, sir. But there was a clear thing mentioned in the brief that there would be no design or influencer-led marketing and no storytelling also. This was clearly mentioned in the brief. And when we were talking to creative head of Mokobara, she clearly stated that they have already used the PR strategy of LinkedIn. That has already been used on LinkedIn.
तो खैर एक दो elements हो सकते हैं. They are also not talking about design. It is completely about carry yourself. Carry yourself and carry your pride, carry your story, carry whatever. So conceptually they are on track. They are not talking about design, they are not focusing on the product also. Product is by and large there as a support, as a visual support.
ऊंच नीच होती है. कई के आइडिया अच्छे होते हैं, कई के मीडिया प्लान गड़बड़ होता है, कई के क्रिएटिव बहुत अच्छा होता है. जैसे कई चीजों में सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होता है पर बच्चे आर्टिकुलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. उसमें बच्चे को फिर बोलना पड़ता है बीच में. वो होता है. पर सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी क्या है कैंपेन के इस पूरे प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग में? वन इज कि हाउ मच यू आर रेडी फॉर दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट. पहला ये अब आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद घर जाके सोचिएगा जरूर आपको कहाँ काम करना है. दूसरा, तीसरा, क्या आप एक बेहतरीन टीम मेट हैं या नहीं. और चौथा, कितने बेहतर तरीके से आप अपनी बात को अपने क्लाइंट के सामने रख सकते हैं. ये सारी बातें आपका ये पूरा कैंपेन 360 डिग्री कैंपेन सिखाता है. हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हम इस सफर का मैं भी हिस्सा बनी. IMC के लिए मेरा चौथा साल है और मैं चाहती हूँ अगले साल हम मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम के साथ लॉन्च करें HPR को. फिर हम और बेहतर कुछ करेंगे और तैयारी होनी शुरू कर दी है. मुझे लगता है
अभी बाकी सब भूल जाओ. Go and have a party. Go and have a party.
Thank you, sir.
अरे भूल जाओ. You have done your best. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, sir.
फोटो ले ले.
हाँ सर.
दीजिए उनको की. ये दीजिए. उनके पास पड़ी है क्या 2-4? नाम बदनाम करो.
अतुल का ले है.
ग्रुप विद सुबह सर हो जाए क्या फोटो? हाँ. Go flow guys, carry yourself.
Go
with the flow. Keep flow.
क्या कर रहा है ये?
ADPR signing out.
Oh.
2025-26.
Months to mini Audi. खत्म हो गया अब मिलते हैं।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा सफर था मारुति सुजुकी के साथ, ITR के साथ। अरे साल भर का बोल रहा है। मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा जो ये कैमरा मैन है उससे मेरे को चाहता था कि कभी मुलाकात ना हो, पर होनी पड़ी, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है।
हम भी दुखी हैं बट सफर रुकना नहीं चाहिए।
Keep flow, मोकोबारा।
मोकोबारा का है।
मिल रहा क्या? मैम जा रही है। बाय बाय मैम।
बाय बाय।